palaces came to life in the hands of women on the looms in Uşak, one of the rarest examples of the type known as Holbein carpet in. This elegant 16th century Ottoman carpet is one of the finest examples of the traditional weaving art of Uşak. Named after the stylized medallion motifs in the center, the carpet attracts attention with its elegant patterns and balanced compositions, dominated by vibrant colors such as red, blue, and green. The carpet is adorned with floral and geometric motifs.